In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create appointment slots in Google Calendar. To get started, open Google Calendar on your computer. This feature is easiest to set up from the desktop version, since it gives you full access to the appointment scheduling tools and settings in one place. Once your calendar is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the Create button. From the menu that appears, choose Appointment Schedule. This will open the Setup panel where you can build a booking schedule that other people can use to reserve time with you. The first thing you'll want to do is enter a clear title. This is the name people will see on your public booking page, so make it specific and easy to understand. For example, instead of something vague, use a title that tells people exactly what the meeting is for. A clear title helps avoid confusion and makes your booking page feel more professional. Next, choose your appointment duration. Google Calendar gives you flexibility here, with options ranging from short meetings of around 5 minutes to much longer sessions lasting several hours. Think about the kind of meeting you're offering and select a time length that makes sense. Short durations can be useful for quick check-ins, while longer blocks work better for consultations, planning sessions, or in-depth discussions. Picking the right duration from the beginning helps keep your schedule organized and sets expectations for anyone booking time with you. After that, set your general availability. This is where you define when you're open for appointments. You can choose the days of the week you want to accept bookings, then set the weekly time ranges when you're available. As you do this, be mindful of your routine and make sure the times you choose are realistic and sustainable. It's often a good idea to leave some buffer around meetings if your day tends to fill up quickly. You'll also want to confirm the correct time zone. This is especially important if the people booking with you may be in different locations. Setting the right time zone helps prevent scheduling mistakes and ensures your available times are displayed correctly. As an extra tip, if you want to make your appointment schedules easier to recognize in Google Calendar, click the 3 dots and choose a distinct color. This makes it much easier to tell these events apart from your regular calendar items at a glance. Once you've filled in the title, duration, availability, and time zone, your appointment schedule is essentially ready to support bookings. That's how to create appointment slots in Google Calendar.